Struggling to keep pet hair and dust under control? Meet the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Keep tidy and enjoy a smart and convenient life. 500-watt powerful motor provides up to 35,000 suction power to instantly remove dust. It cleans carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors with ease. With 45 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home without interruptions. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush and green LED light ensure no dirt goes unnoticed. Lightweight with a 7-stage filtration system that captures 99.9% dust as small as 0.1 micron. It's perfect for everyday cleaning. Want effortless cleaning? Visit the link in the bio to get yours now.